So, what causes amplitude is when there's a force, and this force creates an energy that vibrates. The real deal has arrived.
In this video, we're going to explore the correlation or the coordinates, the correspondence, and dichotomy, I apologize, the paradoxical phenomenon between amplitude and frequency. Let's discuss amplitude and frequency. Watch this video. Watch this video.
Be very afraid, because I'm the real deal. Amplitude is the maximum extent of a vibration. Right, so amplitude.
This is my mini library. I have a much bigger library. So,